Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day and a bad day. Y'all know what it is. It's time to refill these nails. This builder gel has definitely been having me and my clients' nails growing like wildflowers. I don't be wanting to do it, but it definitely has to get done. I have to cut them down because I don't want them to grow too long and then they start looking crazy. In my opinion, when your natural nails get too long, they have this weird little shape to them and I don't like it. But I really do appreciate those of you who watch my videos and like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I really thank you guys. I'm definitely going to keep pushing out videos for October because I really want to show y'all the spooky nail art. Do y'all not see black? This is my first time doing all black nails, y'all. All black. This bit that I'm using is a coarse bit, which I do have to lighten my pressure with using this on the builder gel because it do create dents in the nails if you put too much pressure on it. But it's a faster way for me to remove all the gel that I have on my nails. I have learned that going in different directions with the bit, like if I go vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, it helps not create those notches, and if it do create any notches in the nail, it'll smooth it out if I go in a different direction. And this bit also comes in handy when it's time to take down some of the apex of the nail when I'm trying to refill the other part and create a new apex so it does not look too bulky. So I do thin it out a bit. While I was taking the polish off of the nails, I did notice that I could see the ridges of the old product that I used to have. Have y'all ever like refill like clear acrylic set and you can see like the ridges of the old product, you know, just moving up? So I was thinking about taking this off and doing a whole new set because I did have this on for a while. If you have any questions about the process that I'm doing with refilling my builder gel or any concerns that you may have, please do not be afraid to comment them down below and I will get to you as soon as possible. I love responding to y'all comments. If you haven't already checked out my previous videos about my builder gel, I went into further detail about prep, all that good stuff. Now in these videos, I just tell y'all if I have changed any routines or what I have learned from the builder gel because this is my first go around with using builder gel. I still do acrylic nails, but most of my clients right now, they are in the medical field, and I know hospitals freak out when their employees have acrylic on their nails. So I have definitely been weaning them over towards the Builder Gel for more of a natural look. I got this brush kit years ago off of Amazon by Beetles, and it came with different size brushes, long ones, short ones. So my other one was kind of acting a fool. I don't know if y'all seen the red one that I was using. It kept on spreading apart and stuff like that. I did not like it. But I tried out using this one that came in the kit. It was the shortest one. I never used it because I was like, what is this? What am I going to do with this? Came in handy. I love it because the bristles are so tight together and they don't move, and they are perfect for doing this Builder Gel. You can get way more precise with it. I am going to make a separate playlist for the Builder Gel because I know when I first started this channel, all I was doing was acrylic, but I am expanding to trying different products. That's what I am here for. I am here to try the products out for y'all, or to try the technique out for y'all and tell y'all what not to do and what to do. I know it looks a little hectic. I have all these colors out because I did not know where I wanted it to go. I did look up a inspo pic on a fall set, and I know I wanted to do a plaid nail. I never did plaid. It always kind of intimidated me. I know this is going to be a shocker for some of y'all, but those lines intimidate me. But I was like, okay, let me pull out most of my fall colors. I know I wanted to do orange, but I did not have a burnt orange. So I was like, okay, this orange will do. It's so funny because that green and that mauve-y taupey color, I've been had those colors since I was in cosmetology school. Y'all, that was, oh my goodness, 6 years ago. 6 years ago. Oh my goodness, sounds so crazy saying that. But they was giving out all these gel colors, and it was so many of them. And I think I got like 10 that I still haven't used, but I was like, I have to use these. Like, when I tell y'all, they are so cute. I think y'all can see the brand on the bottle. I'm not sure what brand that is. I'm not sure if they even sell it in stores. So, I don't know. I'm so glad that my greenie has grown out. Now I'm able to do more lighter colors and not having to be a little self-conscious about it showing through or anything like that. Now one of my fingers is still showing a little bit in the corner. So I'm just going to put the design over that one and call it a day. I was going to do the orange nails matte instead of glossy, but I don't know what's going on with this Beetle matte top coat. I have never been in favor of it. I'm going to have to try out Goy's because I love Goy's products. They're excellent. They're great. They're good. I just ended up doing the orange nails glossy because the matte was just not working out for me. Like, it still had like this glossy sheen to it. Like, no, if I do matte nails, I want it to be matte. Have any of y'all had any problems with Beetle's products? Let me know down in the comments below. And doing a plaid nail was not that bad. But I just made sure that I flash cured it through each of the layers so I wouldn't have to sit there and put my whole hand in the light and, you know, do all that. It would have been doing too much. But I made sure I paid close attention to the picture and knowing what colors was layered on top of which. That really helped out a lot. And it came out real cute. This hand that I'm doing right now is my left hand. I decided to do the plaid on this hand because I know I can do it on this hand. If y'all have been hanging around my channel for a while, y'all know I do both of my hands. Now, I'm getting a little fed up with my other hand because I've just been trying too hard. I be having to redo the nails a lot on my right hand, and it's just too much. So I found this easy, you know, leaf design, and I was like, okay, it's simple, it's easy. I think I could be able to do it real quick on the other hand. Now, I'm telling y'all now, I am about to give up doing designs on that hand at all because it's just been a headache. It's just been a headache. We're gonna talk about that when we get to that hand. It just started off bad already. First of all, I couldn't even get right. And then secondly, I tried to pick designs that don't really have to be perfect when doing designs on my opposite hand. And it kind of took me a while to get the hang of how I wanted to do the technique to try to make it as close to perfect as I could. But then I kind of kept getting frustrated because midway I was trying to get it perfect and then my hand just kept shaking. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't know what to do. So then by accident, I ended up finding out a technique that worked for me. So basically, I kind of dabbed too much polish on the tip of my brush and it made the shape of the leaf that I was trying to do. It was kind of like a teardrop, leaf stem situation. And so I just kept rolling with it. I was like, okay, let's go ahead and stamp these things on. If you made it this far, make sure you drop a heart for me down in the comments, or a bird, or whatever you want to drop. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I hope y'all liked the video. And make sure that y'all catch up on my playlist so y'all be here for a good time and a long time. Nail Chronicles is definitely where it's at if y'all want to hear y'all good, funny little story time. And this is the final product of my nails. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.